Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. Yes, I hope you all have done home assignment whatever I had given. Now we will start converting AM and PM with one more table now. See, converting 24 hours clock to AM and PM. Now once again they had given, we have seen in our last session also. Now see, for 0, now that time what we have seen, actually 12 hours clock we have converted into 24 hours. Now 24 hours clock, how to convert in AM and PM? Shall we revise once again this in last session whatever we have studied? See, for converting AM and PM means 12-hour clock, we have how to convert in 24 hours clock. See, for that you have to keep in your mind this method. Now when midnight means at 9 o'clock 12 to 12:59 AM, 12:59 AM, for that you need to subtract 12 hours, and 1 AM means after 12 midnight, when it starts 1 AM to 12:59 PM, isn't it? So till that time before 1 PM means afternoon. So whatever the will come, you should not change anything, you have to keep as it is. And once it starts 1 PM, it goes till 1:59 PM, till there you have to add 12 hours. Clear this? Yes. Now this is about converting AM and PM to 24 hours clock. Now we will see how to convert 24 hours clock to AM and PM. So where you will see this 24 hours clock? 24 hours clock means digital clock. What it is? Digital clock. Most of this clock you can see in railway stations, airport. Okay, so whenever you go, just observe this. Okay, or else when you watch TV, most of the times we see railway stations, airports in movies also, so that time also you can observe. Now to convert 24 hours into AM and PM, now 24 hours means it starts from 00:00 to 00:59 hours. What we have to do? Add 12 hours and write AM. Keep in your mind. There is no option for this. You have to keep in your mind. Okay? Try to understand. 01:00 hours to 11:59 hours. Then for that there is no change. You have to keep as it is AM. And next 12 hours to 12:59 hours. What we have to do? No change. Just write PM. And next 13 hours to 23:59 hours. Till there what we have to do? We have to subtract 12 hours and we have to write PM. Now we will see some examples with the same method. Now 00:00 hours to 00:59 hours. What we have to do? Add. Now it is see 00:10 hours. So what we have to do? We have to add 12 hours. See, this is minute and this is hours. So where we will add? Here only. So when I add here, I get 12:10. And what I have to write? AM. So what I write here? They had given already 12:10 AM. Clear? And next 00:40 hours. So it is before 59, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to add 12 hours. So this is 12 and 00 will come here. So the addition 2 plus 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 1 is 1. So it becomes 12:40 AM. Clear? Yes, very good. Now see the next. When it becomes 1 hour to 01:00 hours to 11:59 hours. Till that time you should not do any changes and just you have to write AM. See, this is 01:00 means when it becomes, see, it starts from after midnight 1 o'clock, isn't it? So it become, what we have to write, AM. If they had given 01:15 hours means 1:15 AM, and 11:25 hours means you have to write 11:25 AM. And the next, now 12 hours to 12:59 hours, you should not change anything and you have to write PM. See, when it is noon time, okay, till again noon means till midnight comes. So 12:10 hours means 12:10 PM, 12:55 hours means 12:55 PM. You have to keep as it is PM. And the next, 13 hours to 23:59 hours. Till in this time, whatever the time will come, what you have to do, you have to subtract 12 hours and you have to write PM. Now 14:55 hours. So what you have to do, you have to subtract 12. 0, 5 will remain as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, and colon. So what is the time? 12:55. What do you have to add? PM. Clear? Now see, if the example is 23:30, then subtract 12. Here nothing is there means 0, 3 as it is, colon, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. It is 11:30. We have to add PM. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. Very good. Now, before solving our exercise 4.3, we will have some activity. See, 24 hours clock time. Drag and drop the 12 hours clock times to the matching 24 hours clock times on the digital clock and press done. We will see. See what they had given, 6:30. See, 6:30 will come in 24 hours only one time. When? See, do you remember, students, we have studied that 12 midnight to 12 noon, the same numbers will come in 24 hours also. And when it becomes 1 PM means after 12 afternoon, when it starts 1 o'clock, from that the numbers will change. After 12 it become 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 till 24. So 6:30 will remain as it is. So where is 6:30? Here it is. So I will drag and I will keep here. Now next, 00:45. Now see, when 00:45 will come? Yes, when 00:00 will come? Midnight. The day starts at midnight, begins with midnight. So after that 45 minutes means 00 means what? 12. Isn't it? Now see, where is 12:45? Yes, here it is. Now I'll drag this. Now 22:30. Now see, what you have to do for this? Very easy. I will tell you one trick. Now 23:30. Now after 12, start counting. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So what is the time? How many fingers? 10. Means it is 10:30. Now see, where is 10:30? Is it there? Yes, it is there. See here, 10:30 PM. Now we will check afterward whether it is correct or no, once we will done all. Now see the next, 14:15 hours. Now what you have to do, just close the fingers and count after 12 12, because when in 24 hours all the numbers will change after the 12 noon only. So it is 14. Then 12 after 13 and 14. So what is the time? 12 after, in regular clock what we write? 1 and 2. So just count after 12 and just again you have to read by 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is 1 and 2. So 2:15 p.m. Is it there? Yes, it is there. So drag this. Now 20:50 hours. Now see, it's 20. So start counting after 12 till 20 comes. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many? Yes, it's 8 o'clock. 8:50. See whether that option is there. 8:50. Yes, it is there. I'll drag this. Okay, next 2:55. See, 2:55 as it is we have to give. Okay, 12 to 12 keep as it is. Now 10 o'clock keep as it is. 9, 10 it comes as it is. Now 18. Now see, 18 means what you have to do? Count after 12 till 18 comes. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How many? 6. So it is 6 o'clock. Yes, option is there. Of course it is there. So drag this. Now 21. 21:5 minutes. Now after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. See how many fingers? Yes, how many? 9. So what is the time? 9 o'clock, 9:05 p.m. Yes, the option is there. Now let's, yes, our all answers are correct. So understood about 24 hours clock? Yes, very good. Now we will solve our exercise 4.3. Now see the question. Give the 12 hours clock time for the following. Now they are given in 24 hours clock time. Now we have to give 12 hours clock time. Now we will give, see the first question, 5:20 hours. Now what is 5:20? Yes, see, as I said you that from 12 noon to again 12 afternoon, the time will remain as it is and you have to write AM. Keep in your mind. So what will come here? 5:20 AM. Okay, the next one, second one. Now see here, 00:23 hours. When 00 will come, students? After 12, means exactly 12 means 00.00 colon. So 00 means 12. It's midnight and 23. Right here 23. So midnight after what we write? AM. So right here AM only. Okay. See the fourth one. 6:20 hours. Now what is 6:20? Yes. Tell me. Of course. As I say, 12 to 12. 1 to 12. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whatever the numbers will come in 24 hours, we have to write as it is. 06:20. See, 6 o'clock, when it will be 6 o'clock students in 12 hours clock? Of course, it is in the evening. So what do we have to write? It is evening or morning? No, it is morning. So you have to write AM. Evening means it converts into the next number. It is early in the morning. Now see, 24 hours clock. Now when it comes 24 hours, count after 12. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's 10. When it's 10, night. So what will come here? PM. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now remaining two examples you solve by your own. Now we will solve B question. Change the following into 24 hours clock times. Now exactly reverse versa, vice versa. Now we have converted 12 hours into 24 hours clock. Now 24 hours clock we have to convert into now we have to write in 24 hours clock. Okay, 6:30 p.m. Now see students, what is 6:30 p.m. they said, so it comes after noon. So after noon the times convert into 13, 14 hours, 15 hours. So till 6 we have to count. Now 6 fingers keep and count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So instead of 6 write 18 and the minutes keep as it is. Okay, so no need to write. When you convert into hours, no need to write anything, AM and PM, so write just hours. Okay, now the second one. So what is the second one? 10:50 AM, say it is in the morning. Midnight 12 to afternoon 12, whatever the times will come, it remains as it is, no change. So write 10:50 hours. Okay, the next one, 5:10 PM, fourth one. What is the question? 5:10 PM. PM means again it is after noon only. So we have to count how many? 5 after 12. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So write here 17 colon 10 hours. Okay, the next one, 7:20 AM. See, 7:20 AM. AM means morning. Morning means it will remain as it is. But very important thing, 7:20 they are given. 7 they have written in single digit. But when you are writing in 24 hours clock, you have to write in 2 digit only. Otherwise full answer will be wrong. Keep in your mind. Hours we have to write in 2 digit. Minutes also we have to write in 2 digit only. Clear? Yes? Very good. Now we will complete this table. See what they are given, 12 hours time, 24-hour time. Just we have to, whatever missing they are given, we have to write to understand in better manner 24 hours clock. Okay, let's we will write 12 midnight. So already they are given 12 midnight means we should write whether it is 24 hours or 00.00 hours. See, 12 midnight, it's maybe the beginning of the day or end of the day. So you have to write 24 hours or else 0.00 hours. Now next, blank they had given, and the next question is 940 hours. See, 940 hours. Just they had given 940. See, the whatever numbers they give 1 to 12, we have to write as it is 940. See, 940, when it is 940? Of course, it is in the morning. So you have to write AM. Now next, 00:40 hours. When 00 starts at 12 midnight. So after that 40 hours. So it is 12:40. When it comes after 12 only. So it is AM till noon. So we have to mention AM. The next one, 11:15 a.m. Now see, when 11:15 comes a.m., yes, tell me, 11:15, yes, of course after midnight only. So AM means it remains as it is. Just you have to write in proper manner, 01:15 hours. The next, 1 AM. See, 1 AM, when it is about in the morning, so no need to change anything. So write 01:00 hours. Next, 11:30 p.m. Now it is about PM students. See, PM. PM means before 12 noon, isn't it? So we have to count after 12, 11 fingers. See, I do have 10, then again we will count for the next. Now after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and one more 23. So 23. What we have to do? For that we have to add 12 into this number. So when I add 12 in this number, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, here nothing is there, means 0, 0, here addition is there, so 3:30 will come. So what is the time? 23:30 hours. Clear? Yes? Is that clear? Very good. The next one. See, they are not given 24 hours time. They are given 18 hours time. That is 24 hours time. In that they are given 18 hours. Now, when they are given 18 hours, what we have to do? Just subtract 12. So when I subtract 8 minus 2 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. Minutes, nothing they are given, so we will write 6. What will come? AM or PM, students? Yes, of course PM. Because after 12, whatever numbers will come, everything will write in PM, in 12 hours clock, isn't it? Now 21.01 hours. So what do you have to do? Subtract 12. Okay, 1 will remain as it is, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 2 we can't. Cut the 1, write as it is, take borrow from neighbor, neighbor is having 2, he will give 1, 1 will remain. Now 11 minus 2, yes, 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 0, 9, see 0, 9, no need to write, just write 9, 9, 1 PM. Okay, 13 to 24, all will come in PM. Okay, now 5:50 AM, it is early in the morning, isn't it? So what will come? Just think everyone, come on, think everyone. See, AM means just we have to write as it is, but in proper manner, means 05:50 hours. Now 11:40 hours they had given. Now see, 11:40 means when it become, yes, come on, tell me. So what we have to do? 11:40, it is not after 12, it is before 12 only. So write as it is, 11:40. Yes, what will come? Before midnight? Yes, what will come? Not midnight, before afternoon. AM only. So write here AM. Is that clear? Yes. Now we will see where you can commit the common mistakes. Now they are given. 4 students were asked to convert 4:15 p.m. to 24 hours clock time. Now what we have to do? Put correct on the correct answer. Can you point out the mistake in the wrong answer? We will see where they have committed mistake. Now 4:15 p.m. See, when it is about p.m. to convert into 24 hours clock, you have to, what do you have to do? Yes, after 12 you have to count 4 till 4 o'clock, isn't it? So after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 colon 15 hours. The correct answer is 16 colon 15 hours. Now we will see what they have done. The first students, what you have written? 16 colon 15, you have converted correct, but you have written PM. This is wrong. What you have to write? Hours. So in 24 hours, no AM, no PM. Now see, 16 colon 15 hours. Yes, this second students have written perfect. Now the next, 14 colon 15 hours. Is it correct? What you have done? Only you have added 1, and the addition you have done wrong. So this is wrong. And 04 colon 15 hours. Now this we have written same as it is, and only you have mentioned hours. When you can do this, when you can write this number as it is, when it is year AM. If AM is there, you have to write as it is and just write AM. But when it is PM, you have to count after 12 from 13 to till 24. Okay? Clear? Yes? Understood? Very good. Now what is your today's home assignment? You have to solve exercise 4.3 in the textbook itself with the pencil and study the converting 24 hours into AM and PM and AM and PM to convert into 24 hours. Okay? Practice this. Little confusion is there, but don't be confused. When you do more practice, it will be very easy for you. And now we will see the conversion of time in our next session. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.